Concept of measurement, assessment, and evaluation. Despite their significant role in education, the terms measurement, assessment, and evaluation are usually confused with each other. Mostly people use these terms interchangeably and feel it very difficult to explain the differences among them. Each of these terms has a significant, specific meaning, sharply distinguished from the other. Now let's see what are the objectives in this unit. In this lecture, we will be describing the concept of educational measurement, test, assessment, and evaluation. What is measurement? In general term, the measurement is used to determine the attributes or dimensions of object. Or, for example, we measure an object to know how big, tall, heavy it is. An educational perspective, measurement refers to the process of obtaining a numerical description of the student's progress towards a predetermined goal. This provides basically the information regarding how much a student has learned. For example, someone has scored 23, someone has scored 40, someone has scored 60 or 70, and far and more and more. On this basis, we measure their progress on numerical format, on numerical quantity, and we compare the progress of the student with each other. When we talk about then after the measurement, we come to the concept of testing. What is the concept of testing? It is an instrument or systematic procedure to measure a particular characteristics. For example, a test of mathematics will measure the level of learners knowledge of this particular subject or field. Same is the case with English or any other subject. If we want to check what have they learned, what are their level of knowledge and their expertise, then we take a test from that particular candidate or the students. What is the concept of assessment? Assessment is more broader term than, and it includes testing. For example, a teacher may assess the knowledge of English language through a test and assesses the language proficiency of the students through any other instrument, for example, oral quiz or presentation. Based upon this view, we can say that every test is assessment, but every assessment is not the test. And the term assessment is derived from the Latin word sedere, which means to sit beside. In contrast to testing, the tone of the term assessment is non-threatening, indicating a partnership based on mutual trust and understanding. And this emphasizes that it should be a positive rather than a negative association between the assessment and the progress of teaching and learning in schools. In the broader sense, assessment is concerned with children progress and achievement. Let's understand in a comprehensive and a specific way. Classroom assessment may be defined as the process of gathering, recording, interpreting, and using and communicating an information about a child's progress and achievement during the development of knowledge, concepts, skills, and attributes. In short, that we can say that assessment entails much more than testing, and it is an ongoing process that includes formal, informal activities designed to monitor and improve teaching and learning. Then we will come to the concept of evaluation. What is evaluation? It is basically a systematic determination of a subject's merit, worth, and significance using criteria governed by a set of standards. The central idea in evaluation is value. When we evaluate a variable, we are basically judging its worthiness, appropriateness, and goodness. Evaluation is always done against a standard, objectives, or criterion. In teaching learning process, teachers made students evaluation that are usually done in the context of comparisons between what was intended, learning, progress, behavior, and what was obtained. And evaluation is much more comprehensive term than measurement and assessment. It includes both quantitative and qualitative description of students' performance. It always provides the value judgment regarding the desirability of performance. For example, very good, good, etc. Such kind of thing. So these are the concept of measurement, test, assessment, and evaluation.